Hey guys, come make my scalp oil with me. So, I made the original version of this oil shortly after giving birth to my boys to combat shedding because I was ready for that postpartum shedding to hit me, child. And now I want to try the Nettle infused version of it. So, here you'll see me infusing some avocado oil with nettle leaves, and nettle leaves is amazing for combating shedding. It also delivers essential nutrients to your hair follicles and helps to prevent thinning of the hair. I personally did not experience any type of postpartum shedding, like, not much to talk about. Like, it was barely anything extra. So, I'm not going to really call it, postpartum shedding. It was just excess shedding, if you will. So now I'm adding in jojoba oil, which is also great. It's a wax ester that is closest to the sebum that we naturally produce. And next up, I'm going to be adding in some Jamaican Black Castor oil for some thickness. And then I'm going to be using a black cumin seed oil that is also amazing at combating shedding. Um, the next oil that I'm going to be using is some tea tree oil and then some peppermint oil. I originally had rosemary oil in here, but I took it out because it's not good for people who have hypertension like myself. And the last oil that I'm going to add in is some vitamin E oil as an antioxidant. Then I'm going to mix everything up and pour it in my bottle. And that is basically it, y'all. I use this in my hair to oil my scalp, and I also use it as a hot oil treatment as well. So, yeah, that's my scalp oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.